To make a video introduction for Upwork, for a brief introduction, start with your name, profession, and services offered. Always keep it simple and engaging. Example, hi, I'm Gwen Zandriv, a freelancer specializing in web development and graphic design. Second, showcase your skills. Highlight relevant skills and tools you use. Example, I have a background in IT and I'm skilled in HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and WordPress. Third, unique selling point. Share what sets you apart from others. Mention quick turnaround time, attention to details, etc. Example, what makes me stand out is my quick turnaround time and my commitment to detail. And then, always keep it short. Aim for 1 to 2 minutes in length because long videos can lose the client's attention. And last, use a good microphone to avoid background noise. Video quality doesn't need to be high as long as it's clear and professional. For the conclusion, highlight your skills, be confident, and present yourself professionally. Good luck! And that's how you present your video introduction to Upwork. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the YouTube channel.